Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Aman Garg and I am thrilled to have you here today. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of my Salesforce tips, tutorials and insights. As many of you know, I have been deeply involved in the Salesforce ecosystem for the last 2.5 years and it has been an incredible journey so far. Within this time, I have achieved significant milestones, including becoming a five-time Salesforce certified professional and two times Copado certified expert. And I am also a founder of SF Learner Hub. So today we will see that what is MFA and how to implement MFA. So first we will see what is MFA. MFA is the authentication method which is require the user to provide two or more verification factors to gain access to a resource such as application, online account or a VPN. MFA is a core component of a strong security. Rather than just asking a username and password, MFA require one more additional verification factor which helps to provide a security in Salesforce. Now we will see the advantage of MFA. As you know that MFA will provide the authentication method or the verification method to verify your device. So it is also helpful for reduced fraud. That sometimes we are receiving a message that someone has tried to log in your X account like Facebook, Twitter, any social media handles. So just like same in Salesforce, someone has accessed your Salesforce org without your prior information. So it will help to reduce fraud in Salesforce ecosystem. Another thing, increase customer trust. Whenever we implement MFA at that time, it will also increase our trust to the customer. It will also simplify the login process because whenever any user will try to access those accounts, it will also receive a notification to the particular owner that someone has tried to log in your account or your org. MFA authenticity increase security. Definitely, it will increase your security because whenever someone has trying to access your account or someone has trying to access your any account without your any prior information, it will needed to fill to enter the 8-digit code which is called one time password, that is OTP. Whenever any user, whether a admin or whether any unsuspicious user trying to access those accounts, you need to enter 8-digit code. Without 8-digit code, you cannot access those accounts. So next topic, that how to implement MFA in Salesforce.